Okay friends, welcome back to ReadnSpeak English channel. இன்னைக்கு நாம பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் Read and Speak along with me, a passage on believing is achieving. ஸோ இந்த வீடியோவை ஸ்கிப் பண்ணாமல் ஃபுல்லாக பாருங்கள். இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுங்க. பக்கத்தில் இருக்க பெல் ஐக்கானை கிளிக் பண்ணிங்க. ஆல்ன்ற ஆப்ஷனை சூஸ் பண்ணிங்க. அப்போ தான் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு வந்து சேரும். ப்ளீஸ் யூஸ் ஹெட்ஃபோன்ஸ் ஃபார் பெட்டர் ஆடியோ குவாலிட்டி. இந்த வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு ஸ்மால் மோட்டிவேஷ்னல் ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட். Books are a gateway to success. புத்தகங்களே வெற்றியின் நுழைவாயில். Okay, so read this passage along with me in the gaps I provide you. A man is made by his own thoughts. What he believes in is what he gets. This is the reason why some can reach the moon while many can never even reach their preferred destinations soon. Believing is the first step in achieving anything. Just believing and doing nothing is not going to do us anything. Where is our success hiding? It hides itself behind our own disbeliefs. It is the right mix of beliefs and good thoughts combined with impressive efforts that is going to give us our everlasting success. Success embraces only those who believe in success. The rest of them are just left to fail. Success never wants any disbelievers. Belief never comes on its own, nor it is easy to get. Belief can also never be bought over the shelf overnight. It starts with the confidence of our inner self, continues with the execution of our passionate efforts, to end up with the culmination of our ambitions. Chase your dreams with belief. To win your ambitions with success. Okay, I think you'd have read the passage along with me. Now let us speak this passage. So speak this passage along with me now. Well, a man is made by his own thoughts, isn't it? What he believes in is what he gets. No second opinion. Now, this is the reason why some can reach the moon while many can never even reach their preferred destinations soon. Now, believing is the first step in achieving anything. Yes, accepted. But wait a second. Just believing and doing nothing is not going to do us anything. Isn't it? Now, where is our success hiding? Where is it hiding? Yes, you are right. it hides behind its own disbeliefs. Yes, it is the right mix of beliefs and good thoughts combined with impressive efforts that is going to give us our everlasting success. Success embraces only those who believe in success, and the rest of them are just left to fail. Get lost. Success never wants any disbelievers. And belief never comes on its own, nor it is easy to get. And belief can also never be bought over the shelf overnight. Absolute truth. It starts with the confidence of our inner self. It continues with the execution of our passionate efforts to end up with the culmination of our ambitions. So, chase your dreams with belief to win your ambitions with success. Thank you so very much for listening. Okay, I hope that you would have practiced reading and speaking along with me, using the same style I have used. It's not absolutely necessary. You can use your own style, your own words, your own modulations, intonations, and of course, your own speed. Idea is you have to read a passage and then try to speak it in your own style. At the same time, you have to observe the sentence patterns, how the phrases have been introduced, how the sentence starts, how it continues, how it ends. All those things will automatically get embedded in your memory or in your practice as you keep practicing this reading and speaking on a daily basis or on a regular basis. Whenever you find time, whenever you find 5 minutes or 10 minutes or 15 minutes, take any passage and try this technique. I am very confident that you will be gaining a lot of you will gain a lot of improvement basically by this method. So I would like to wish you a happy reading and very happy speaking. I wish that this video would have been beneficial to you. If you like this video, like, share, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon and support us, motivate us and encourage us for all our efforts. So till we meet again, take care, bye bye. Thank you.